Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Okay guys, so today I got a Shein haul, pajamas haul, and I think I got one blouse and one home decor. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Okay guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I have everything in this bag here, and I'm going to be showing you guys first. Before I show you, I'll put a clip of where I try them on if possible. Okay guys, so I have everything here with me. I'm sitting on my bed because this is a pajamas. It's a Shein pyjama. Okay, so these are pajamas, and I also got one or two. I think I bought something for the house, one little ornament, I think, if it's here, I can't remember. And then I got like a makeup pad thing. Okay, but let me show you the clothing first. So this is them. I think this is a little ornament thing. So these are the pajamas, and this is the little makeup thing. I think this one is just return something. Okay, so these pajamas, they are like Christmassy and normal pajamas. Okay guys, so it's like Christmassy pajamas and normal pajamas. Okay, so this everything here because they were doing like a discount, so I got a discount code. Discount, I meant to say. So everything here cost me about £34. Okay, for 1, 2, 3, okay, and then I got 4, 5, and then I got these 2 items. Okay, so they were doing a discount. Okay guys, so I just decided to do this video in my bed because it's pajamas, you understand. I got one blouse. There's one blouse. I just remember there's a blouse in here as well. Okay guys, so it's pajamas haul. Shall I say try on haul? I might try it on and show you guys clips of the video where I tried it on. I may not try it on, but we'll see how it goes guys. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to show you one at a time. So let's open this one first. Normally Shein clothing come in a Ziploc bag like this. Okay, they always come in a Ziploc bag. Okay, so this one, even though they say this is a pajama, but me, I think I can actually wear this at home without wearing it as a pajama. Okay guys, so this one come in a short. That's the short. Okay, and this is I like buying larger size of clothing, 5XL, because I like it to fit loose. Okay, so that's the short, and this is the top. It's like a hoodie kind of thing. It has a hoodie. It's quite transparent. It's quite transparent. Of course it's a 90, but I think it's something I can wear at home though. It's quite soft as well. I like the tie-dye fabric. It's the tie-dye, as you can see. Yeah guys, and it's a long sleeve. Okay, with the cuff, got the cuff. Is the cuff they call it? Yeah. So, and then we got the hoodie. This is the hoodie here. So it's quite soft and nice. I like the way it's big because I like it free in my body, and it has the pockets. So it comes as a set. Of course they are all set because they are pajamas. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, and then I think this one is the blouse. Okay guys, so let me show you guys the blouse. So the blouse have the extra button. So this is the blouse. The blouse is in 5XL as well, because as I say, I like my clothes to be fitted, to be free. I don't like them to be tight. Like this one I'm wearing now is from Shein as well. I did a haul, so maybe I'll link the video up here for this particular top I'm wearing. So it's the same the same, what do you call it, emery, is it emery or Emily Rose? Okay, so this is the blouse. Okay guys, that's the blouse. So this blouse is not bad, it's quite nice. It got like elastic on the cuff here. It's a long sleeve, as you can see, and the neck is like a total neck. It's not, it's a bit high up. I'm sure I'll wear it in one of my vlogs so you guys can see it, but anyway, I think I might try it on so you guys can see it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, but that's this one. It's not bad though. The fabric is not too soft, but it's okay. Okay, so that's the blouse. And then the next one, I'm feeling very comfortable in my bed, guys. Sitting in the bed. Yeah guys, I just thought I would just sit in the bed to do this this Shein haul as his pajamas, as I said earlier. Okay guys, so I really like this one. So this one is like Christmassy, but I think one can wear it after Christmas. Okay, so this one, let me tell you the size of this one. I think most of the outfit is 5XL because I just want them to be free. And you know, sometimes with Shein clothing, the size may be a little bit, if you get your exact size, sometimes it might be a little bit small. Sometimes it's perfect if you get your exact size. Okay, so this one is a trouser, as you can see. Okay, so you guys can see. So I'll try and leave a little clip of a video where I try them on, hopefully. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's the trouser, and I'll show you guys the top. Sorry guys for the noise. And this is the top, guys. I really like this one. It's so soft, very soft. It got a button down the front there, and it's a long sleeve with a cuff. I swear I got a cuff. Okay, it's nice. I like it. I like the way it's big. I'm sure it's going to be free in my body when I wear it. Okay guys, so that's this one. So let's open this one. I like this one. It's a stripy one. So this one is also 5XL. I think they're all 5XL. I just decided to just go for 5XL because I bought a pajama. I bought some pajamas sometime from Shein. I bought exact my size, 2XL, 3XL, and they were just tight. They were not properly fitting. So I decided to buy large sizes. So this one is very colorful, guys. Can you guys see that? Very colorful. It's a trouser, so you guys can see. Very colorful. I like it. And this one is very stretchy. So this one, I'm sure if I've got my correct size, I mean my exact size would have fit. It's very stretchy. So it's a trouser as well. Okay guys. And the bottom is just they just sage the bottom. So it's very stretchy. So that's the trouser, and this is the top. Simple, soft, and nice. Very simple, very colorful as well. I like it. Orangey stretch jersey kind of fabric, not the stretch kind of fabric, and it's soft as well. Okay guys, so that's that one. Okay, last but not least on the pajamas. Okay, so we got this one here. So this one is like a Christmassy one as well, but I'm sure I can wear them after Christmas. It doesn't matter. I'm not going anywhere with pajamas. Just to wear them at home. That's all. Wear them when you want to sleep. So this one is like a crop. This one is like cropped. Can you guys see? So it's not very long. So it's like cropped one, but I like the fact it's a long sleeve. See? I like the fact it's a long sleeve, and I like the band at the bottom. It's soft as well, but it's like jersey fabric. It's stretchy jersey fabric, and it's a trouser as well. Okay guys, so yeah, so that's it. That's all the pajamas and the top I bought. Okay guys, yeah, so that's that. So let me show you guys the, so this one is like a makeup, you know the one you used to apply, the thing you used to apply your makeup. Is it a puff? I don't know what you call it. A makeup puff, something like that. I can't even open it. Oh, there it is. So a makeup puff. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside. That was like £1 something. And then I got this little tiny globe. It's so tiny. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger than this. I didn't know it was going to be so tiny like this. Oh my. Sometimes things from the internet it can make you feel so disappointed. Look at that tiny. I was thinking it was going to be a bit bigger than this. It's like a globe, no, like it's a globe. Okay guys, so that's all I got from Shein Pyjamas. So that's it for my Shein Pyjama haul. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm just trying to put them together. Okay guys, please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you enjoy watching, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.